Hi kids! Today we will learn addition with money. So let's get started. Here are a few things with their prices mentioned. If you want to buy this toy, how much will you pay? You will pay 3 cents. If you want to buy this and this toy, that is, you want to buy 2 toys, how much will you pay? Let me help you calculate. Horse is 3 cents. Fan is for 1 cent. So you will have to add them. To get the amount you have to pay. 3 cents plus 1 cent, we get 4 cents. So we will have to pay 4 cents to buy these things, 2 toys. Good. Let's see another example. If you want to buy 3 toys, this one, and this one too, how much will you pay? Let me help you calculate. Horse is for 3 cents. Fan is for 1 cent. And this engine toy is for 2 cents. So we will be adding these 3 to get the amount we have to pay. 3 cents plus 1 cent plus 2 cents. Adding 3 and 2, we get 5. Adding 5 and 1, we get 6. So we will pay 6 cents for these 3 toys altogether. Good! Let's take more examples. If you want to buy this toy and this toy, that means 2 toys. How much will you pay? This robot is for 8 cents. And these blocks are for 5 cents. So we will be adding these 2 to get the amount we have to pay. And adding 8 and 5, we get 13. So we will be paying 13 cents to get these 3 toys. Good. So kids, now you can go shopping with your mom. Now go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye. Tutway has thousands of animated videos on math, English, and science to clear the core basics of these subjects.